already you can see that it's way too small. So to make this viewport bigger, because it's not an actual drawing that's to scale, it's just a 3D perspective view, it's going to be difficult to just change the scale and make it say 1:20 instead of 1:50 because there is no scale. But we want it to still fit on the sheet nice and neatly. And so to do that, I'm going to select size crop up in this modify tab and see what that brings up. You can see here we can change the width and the height of the 3D view. And if this is an A1 sheet, it's going to be 840 millimeters wide and 594 millimeters high. I only know that because I'm doing a project at the moment, which is A1. And I'm going to change the scale, not the field of view. By doing this, it's going to lock the proportions. So it's going to keep this aspect ratio of whatever it is and just kind of blow it up instead of changing the field of view. So we know the width is going to be 840 millimeters from here to here, but we're just going to make this say 800 and see if that works. And then you can see because we've locked the proportions, it's automatically going to keep that aspect ratio, which is great. If we apply that, you're going to see this blow up. There we go. And that's going to be a little bit too big because it's cutting over the title block. We're going to make sure that we lock the proportions and we're going to try maybe 680 and make sure that that updates as well. 453 mils. Apply that. This should be the right size now. That looks good. If you'd like to get access to all of the course files, materials, and resources, as well as 20 hours of ad-free content, you can feel free to check out the full course on my website. I'll see you there.